and welcome to my channel. Today's video is gonna be me getting my life together. I'm gonna be unpacking, decluttering. I just moved into a new apartment about a month and a half ago. I wanna get as much as possible done today. Let's get to it.
Nothing could ever keep us from partying, leaving this romance behind. But now you're gone, and all I have is time. And though you're not here anymore, I still think about you. 'Cause baby,
Oh.
You might have to hold in your lap.
We found it, finally. We're finally back from taking the stuff to the recycling bin. Y'all don't know how happy I am to get that stuff out of the way. That stuff had been blocking the doorway for like for like 3 weeks. Next, I'm gonna go to my car. I have a whole bunch of stuff in my car that I brought.
I'm gonna tell you that I love you 100 times a day. You'll get tired of my voice, that's how much I'm gonna tell you that I'll miss you if you go. Yes, I'm gonna let you know just how much I tell your mama, I tell your papa too. I'm gonna let everyone know about my love, so I really hope you love me too. Yeah, I really hope you love me too. Thinking about what we've been through. The world can be a lonely place. Baby, I'm so glad that I found you. Now I got someone to embrace. From the day you stole my heart, I never ever want to be apart. Don't you feel the times are coming? 'Cause I feel it so strong. I've been on hold.
What we planning to do with these posters? I got these on OfferUp. I got a lot of the stuff in my apartment from OfferUp. Because it's just like way cheaper. I want to have this kind of like a movie room. So the theme I was going for was basically I want to have this like how you go into a movie theater and you see like a wall of like movie posters. That's basically what I'm going for right here. So I bought these huge frames and then I'm just gonna buy some movie posters either off like Etsy or Amazon. everything that I need is in the house now. So I got everything out of my car finally. It's looking like this. So have a couple boxes. I do have somewhere I need to be. I have to go to, I'm going to a football game, a Falcons game with my friends. So I do have to hurry up and get this done. Like, thankfully it's not a lot of stuff, so I should be able to get everything, you know, put away fairly fast. So yeah, let's get back into it. Couple of these organizers. Got these like 3 years ago, so I'm gonna keep using them. I have hair accessories because, you know, it's so annoying because I feel like these type of things always get lost. I've bought like 50 of these and I only have 2 right now. Alright guys, so I'm basically finished. I got everything unpacked and in its rightful place, and everything is where it needs to be. I will be able to like function properly, because when stuff is not organized, I can function, but it's just way harder. And like, why not just make things easier on ourselves? I gotta head out to go to this Atlanta Falcons game. The last thing I had to do was like vacuum, but I don't have a vacuum currently. If you have any recommendations for like a actually good vacuum that's gonna last a long time, because a lot of the cheap vacuums that I've got before, they last for like a year and then they just don't work anymore. I really also have like a lot more to do. I have to organize my closet, I have to get hangers, I have to kind of organize my bathroom. Then I'm also going to be doing some more decorating. I have to put my paintings up. I have a lot more to do, but everything is coming together. It's looking good so far, and I'm just happy with my progress. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.